Once our bottled home brew has been primed well, we enjoy it. But the question here to ask is, what do we do with the bottle after enjoying the drink? Most of us just store them and forget about them till the next bottling day arrives. Here I show you the same bottle after a month of storing without rinsing. The bottle has dried up and a fungal mold has started to grow within it. Once formed, it is very difficult to clean this off. If this happens, I use a few drops of Oxy Action Stain Remover. Just a few drops is enough. You can use any brand. Fill it up with water and leave it overnight. Next day, I use a bottling brush. As you can see how difficult it is to clean the mold formation. This will take at least 5 minutes to clean each bottle. And consider doing this for 10 or more bottles on bottling day. Cleaning alone will naturally take an hour. And you will naturally hate bottling. Once you have poured the brew and you have started enjoying the drink, on completion, the bottle has to be rinsed and cleaned of all the yeast debris immediately. I use a non-perfumed dish washing soap to rinse it with tap water. As you are aware, most bottle primed beer will have a layer of yeast and other particulates in the bottom. After we have served the beer out of the bottle, some of these particulates are going to stay in the bottle, which if stored as such, will happily form a mold within a few days. After enjoying your brew, you should clean and store your bottles, preferably near your wash basin where you are going to clean them. Thus, it is easy for you to set them up for sanitizing on bottling day, making your job much easier. Now prepare your sanitizer. I use Amphosan and no-rinse sanitizer, which is FDA approved and also budget friendly. Just 60 ml is enough to dilute with 400 ml of water and your sanitizer is ready. This is your setup. Your 50 bottles are ready to be washed. Your beer bottle washer is ready. Your bottle sanitizer or winator is ready. Your bottling tray is ready. I kept a clock there to count the time. Let me set up the camera for you now. The timer is set. We start by rinsing a bottle at a time with the bottle washer. Then I rinse it in the sanitizer or winator. Just 1 or 2 pumps is more than enough. And finally hook it in the bottle tray. This is repeated continuously for 50 bottles. And let us see how much time it takes to clean and sanitize 50 bottles and hang it on the bottling tray. Bottling day is a most dreaded day for home brewer due to the repetitive action required for cleaning many bottles in one go. It becomes many times difficult, especially if you have to clean dried up mold and debris from the bottle before the sanitization procedure, as I had shown you before. Just setting up a system like this in place on bottling day will make all this a breeze and you will actually start enjoying bottling. And these equipments do not cost a bomb and is easily available online. Finally, we are on our last bottle. Now let's see how long it took to clean and sanitize all these 50 bottles in one go. Let's have a look at this clock and the stopwatch. It took me around 15 minutes only. That turned out to be around 3 to 4 bottles in a minute. There we go. 50 bottles are now ready to be filled and capped.